The Korean authorities speed up its goal of building a global high-tech industrial cluster by injecting funds worth $1.7 billion over the next 5 years, while easing regulations on investment for venture firms. Ahn Sung-jin has more.
Amid efforts to boost industrial competitiveness, the South Korean government reiterated measures to nurture a high-tech industry global cluster. At an emergency meeting held at the Seoul government complex on Monday, Finance Minister Chu Kyung-ho and affiliated ministers announced plans to follow up those made at a meeting with President Yoon Suk-yeol in June to accelerate efforts to make South Korea an industrial powerhouse. The meeting centered around boosting investment and easing regulations. The government plans to invest a total of $1.7 billion until 2028 in industrial clusters for high-tech and biotech industries, research and development infrastructure, and support for startups. We'll start off by investing around $300 million in 2024. It also revamped rules for the private investment venture ecosystem by raising the external investment limit on capital invested by general holding companies from 40% to 50%. The finance minister is aiming to strengthen other regulations as well.
We'll promptly amend related laws within this year to allow business support service companies in law, accounting, and venture capital fields to move into industrial facility area clusters.
However, limitations remain as far as becoming a world-leading industrial cluster is concerned, due to regulations on business sectors that can move in, venture capital investment based on policy funds, and a lack of technological commercialization. The government aims to promote tax exemptions for public institutions and establish detailed plans for special clusters. With the aim of establishing South Korea as a stable manufacturing and export center by emphasizing the role of industrial clusters amid intensified competition over technology hegemony, the government will continue to accelerate its effort. Ahn Sung-jin, Arirang News.